Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to another video. Please hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and hit the notification bell so you'll be updated on all my future content. So this live stream is going to be a review of Powers of 10. This is a live stream requested by a viewer. I've had a viewer ask for me to do live streams on Powers of 10 more than once, so I'm going to be doing a few of those. A few different live streams on that topic. So for this live stream, I'm going to focus on the fifth power. 10 to the fifth power. How do we find the answer to 10 to the fifth power? So when you hear the words powers of 10, I want you to think repeated multiplication, because that's what it is. It's multiplying the same number over and over again. Multiplication is repeated addition. Multiplication is adding the same number over and over again. Exponents is repeated multiplication over and over again. So 10 to the fifth power means that you're multiplying 10 5 times. So another way to write that would be 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 times 10. So we are multiplying 10 5 times. So start out, we're going to multiply 10 times 10. 10 times 10 equals 100. So far we have multiplied 10 twice. Now to multiply 10 a third time, we have to multiply the product from our previous answer. So now we have to multiply 100 times 10. We started with 10, we multiplied that times 10 and got 100. So now we have to multiply 100 times 10. 100 times 10 equals 1,000. If you're not able to do that in your head, very simple trick. You multiply the two single-digit numbers, and then you add the zeros to your answer. So 1 times 1 equals 1. We have 3 zeros in our answer before the equal sign. We put 3 zeros after the 1. We get 1,000. So far, we have multiplied 10 3 times. Next, we're going to multiply 10 4 times and multiply 1,000 times 10. And again, if you're not able to do this in your head, very simple. You multiply the two single-digit numbers, and then you add the zeros. So 1 times 1 equals 1. And now we have 4 zeros that are before the equal sign. The number 1,000 has 3 zeros. The number 10 has 1 zero. So we're going to add 4 zeros to our answer. And we have our answer. 1,000 times 10 equals 10,000. So far we have multiplied 10 to the fourth power. So now to multiply 10 to the fifth power, we have to multiply 10,000 times 10. So 10,000 times 10 equals 100,000. So 10 to the fifth power equals 100,000. All right, moving on to the next example problem. It's the Mr. Camilleri show. It's the Mr. C. It's the Mr. Camilleri show. Shout out to Mr. C. So this video is focusing on powers of 10. I just showed how to get the answer to 10 to the fifth power. For the next example, 5 to the fifth power. 5 to the fifth power. How do we find 5 to the fifth power? Now again, powers of 10 is basically repeated multiplication. Our base number is 5, our exponent is 5. That means we are multiplying 5 times. So the long way of writing this would be 5 times 5 is 5 times 5 times 5. So we're going to start out, multiply 5 times 5. 5 times 5 equals 25. So we have just multiplied 5. Now we're going to multiply 5 a third time, so 5 times 5 equals 25. Now we have to multiply 25 times 5. 25 times 5 equals 125. So we have now multiplied 5 3 times. So next, it's repeated multiplication. We have to multiply 125 times 5. I'm going to write that down vertically here. So 5 times 5 equals 25. 5 carry the 2. 2 times 5 equals 10. Plus 2 equals 12. 2 carry the 1. 1 times 5 equals 5. Plus 1 is 6. So 5 to the 4th power would be 625. So now we have just multiplied 5 4 times. Now we got to multiply 5 a 5th time. So now we have to do 625 times 5. 5 times 5 equals 25. 5 carry the 2. 2 times 5 equals 10. Plus 2 equals 12. 2 carry the 1. 6 times 5 equals 30. Plus 1 equals 31. So we have our final answer. We just multiplied 5, 525. So 5 to the 5th power equals 3,125. All right, moving on to what will probably be the final example of the video. I'm going to show you how to find 2 to the 5th power. It's the Mr. Camilleri show. It's the Mr. C. It's the Mr. Camilleri show. Hi, welcome to the chat. So 2 to the 5th power. That means we are multiplying the number 2 5 times. So the long way of writing that would be 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So we start out simply by multiplying 2 times 2. 2 times 2 equals 4. So we have just multiplied the number 2 twice. Next, we have to take our answer and multiply that by 2. 4 times 2 equals 8. So we have just multiplied 2 3 times. Next, we take our answer, we multiply that by 2. 8 times 2 equals 16. So far we have just multiplied 2 4 times. Next, we take our answer, we multiply that by 2. 16 times 2 equals 32. So we have just multiplied 2 5 times. 2 to the 5th power equals 32. All right, now that concludes my live stream on Powers of 10. I will be doing more live streams on Powers of 10 in the future since that's been asked for in the chat more than once. This is my live stream on Powers of 10, but there'll definitely be more videos like this to come. But thank you so much for tuning in. Leave a comment. Let me know what you thought of the video. And if there is an area of math or reading that you're having difficulty with, put that in the comments, and I will do a future video on that skill. Until next time, this is Mr. Camilleri signing off. Have a great day and God bless.